Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Hour where every day brings a brand new adventure. Today, we're joining Timmy the turtle, who has a very messy room. But don't worry, Timmy has a super fun way to clean it up. Let's dive into today's story, Timmy's Tidy Treasure Hunt. Timmy's Tidy Treasure Hunt. Once upon a sunny afternoon, Timmy the turtle was playing in his room, but oh my goodness, what a mess it was! There were socks on the lamp, toys under the bed, and books piled up like tiny towers ready to fall. Timmy stared at the mess and sighed. It'll take forever to clean this. But then, a clever idea popped into his turtle brain. What if cleaning is actually a treasure hunt? Timmy's eyes sparkled. Suddenly, cleaning didn't seem so boring anymore. It felt like an adventure. He grabbed a shiny bucket and whispered, "Let the treasure hunt begin." First, Timmy spotted a missing sock under a pillow. He gasped, "A striped treasure!" He gently placed it in the bucket. Next, he crawled across the room and found a stack of books. But this time, he imagined they were ancient treasure tablets. He dusted them off and placed them neatly on his shelf. Then, hiding behind a toy box, Timmy found something extra special, his favorite action figure. He held it up proudly. A rare treasure indeed. Piece by piece, treasure by treasure, Timmy collected toys, books, socks, crayons, and even a missing shoe. Every item felt like a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. And before he knew it, his room wasn't messy anymore. It was clean, neat, and totally turtle approved. Timmy smiled proudly. "I did it! My treasure hunt saved the day." He looked around his tidy room and said, "Maybe cleaning isn't so bad when you turn it into an adventure." And that's the end of Timmy's Tidy Treasure Hunt. Remember, friends, cleaning up can be fun if you use your imagination. Treasure is everywhere. You just have to look. Thanks for watching Kids Hour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new story adventure. See you next time.